the kitchen, I give a Chef Ricardo juice bar and salad bar also. Anyway guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Watch this recipe. It's a very unique, simple salad recipe with some leftover salmon, new potato and green peas, spinach, cucumber, celery. Mwah. Very, very unique recipe, guys. So hopefully, guys, you know what I mean, if you have things left over in your house, you don't need to put it in the bin. There's no way, there's no need, there's no way, there's no need. Okay, you can always make something at home in your kitchen with leftover stuff. You can make salad and bring it to work and save money and all these things. All right, guys, so it's just a very simple recipe, and I want you guys to just enjoy it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments in the description box. There's a link in the description box. Click on it, take it to another channel where you can watch good recipe also. We love you all. Stay tuned, follow me as I say, and stay tuned and keep it real. Nice and lovely. So basically, this is my new potato, and over here I have some spinach, some celery. We'll just cut up some celery inside of it. Celery is really, really good, guys, honestly. Cucumber. You have to have a very sharp knife to do those kind of work. See that? Scrape your green bean. This is some leftover cooked green bean, and this is salmon. The thing is, this is some spinach. You can also just use a knife, cut them, run it through it just like this. If you got tomato or tomato, plum tomato, anything, you can just run it through it also, but I didn't have any, so just gonna just keep it just like that. Little bit of pepper, you know. I love this kind of food, guys. This kind of salad, very easy, you know. This one kind of simple. Bring it to work and have this for your lunch. Look at the celery. Look at the fish. Everything with the potato is amazing. So this now, if you're a person who love your fish and all these things, this coming really handy for you. I want you guys to enjoy the recipe, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes like this will be coming for you, so please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Stay tuned and watch more video. See you next time. Bye bye.